Now is the turn of the carburetors. Hi folks, and welcome back to the channel. On the last episode we got the Pilgrim back on the road, and thankfully everything has been hunky-dory. Apart from a slight incident that happened recently. Take it away, Dad.
Well folks, today I had a really good piece of damage done to my COBRA replica, and that's the offending article. And what it did to the back of the exhaust is really disappointing.
Let me give you a more visual demonstration. He drove onto the ramp and somehow positioned the car in just the right spot to tap the new exhaust clamp, but he didn't think it was anything, and then in a split second the exhaust box caught the gate stopper, ripping the two exhaust bobbins at the rear, detaching it from their support, giving Dad a fright and a half.
All the years I've gone in and out and never hit it.
The impact thankfully didn't do any other damage other than what you can see. A few sections along the pipe are a little bit dented.
Got a good dent in there.
But other than a few cracks on the silencer pipe ends and the ripped bobbins, I think it could have been a lot worse.
Luckily I've got some spare bobbins to replace those ripped off.
So, the exhaust was dismantled and taken to a specialist. While it was away, Dad decided to modify the gate stopper to avoid any further mishaps, so let's go!
Well, it must be at least 1 centimetre lower.
And finally, a coat of primer and a few sprays of galvanizing paint. The exhaust came back, but it added salt to our wounds. The job was quite half-hearted. I think the manifold welds, the removal of the dent on the silencer were just acceptable, and the welds done to the pipe ends of the box were not great, most likely due to them not using the correct welding wire for stainless steel. The crack was due to Dad bending the exhaust back into its correct position, so he ended up welding and giving it a coat of paint. Not the prettiest of jobs, but at least it's not blowing, and if there are any issues in the future, Dad will probably do it himself and not depend on so-called specialists. Anyway, hope all of you enjoyed this little episode, wishing everyone a happy new year, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. It doesn't cost anything and it truly helps with the growth of this channel. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time. Bye!